How's it going, YouTube? Well, the other day I went over and seen Big Mike and just Mopar Joe to go get the inner fenders for Red. As you can see, they're still not in. They're still over here in the truck. But something happened yesterday when I was coming back from Walmart. And we'll have the video here shortly. Okay, well, after that fun happenings yesterday, I guess I got to put the muffler back on the truck and I got to re-weld it and everything. So we'll do a video on that probably later because today's been really messed up. It's a beautiful day, but it's just been a messed up day. But let's go over here and take a look at these fenders. So here are the new fenders for Red. And he was nice enough to cut them all the way to the bed line. So I got all kinds of rim to work with. Now what I'm hoping is I can make it look like it's a factory wheel tub, and it won't look like it's actually like tubbed or anything. So I'm hoping it'll look like it's factory. So we'll get into that probably in the next few weeks. We'll get those done. Leighton from Leighton Welding, he'll come over, or I'll go to him and we'll get those welded in. But I just kind of wanted to show you all what was going on lately. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but next, after this little bit, I'll show the video I got of when I was there picking up the wheel wells. So y'all take it easy and enjoy the little video. Thanks. Alright guys, we made it here to Mopar Joe's shack. Oh, I mean shop. Yeah, shop. That's what it is. Let's go inside and say hi to Joe. And you can say hi to Big Mike.
Hi, Big Mike.
Let's go in here and see what we're working on.
Look at you. How you at? That's a theft deterrent. That one falls out. Go.
That's what they got over here. It's Big Mike's car. Greedy. I'll let him explain what everything's in it if he wants to, or if he wants to hide it from everybody.
No, this here's my Green Goblin. Bought this when I was 18 years old, and finally, after letting it sit for almost 30 years, getting it back going, and got the help of that guy.
That guy. The wanted guy, what everybody wants to be.
I guess. So yeah, we're gonna get her going. Mm-hmm. We're ready.
Came over here to get the wheel wells for Red, and got to see the Green Goblin.
It's gonna be a cool one.
It should be nice.